Hi, I'm Mandy Wildman, and welcome to the Vibrant Crafter channel. So basically, I ransacked my stash, and I picked out 2 garments. We're only going to use 2 garments. This is going to be as easy as pie. If you're an absolute beginner, you're going to be able to do this. Let me show you. I really have a lot of fun choosing the pieces I'm going to work with. So what I've got here is a top, and it's from my boutique when I had my shop, which I'll tell you about in another video, and it's a 1X, so it's going to be too big for me, but it's going to fit some beautiful woman. I can't wait to see. You ever had a little summer dress? Sort of goes like this, but the back part pooches out, the elastic all just wumps out, and you're just fed up with it, but you just love the fabric and you want to do something with it. Here's what we're going to do. This is going to be the easiest thing you've ever done, because we're going to make a little dress. We're going to make a dress that's a size 1X to sort of a 2X, because really once you sew this way, I like to make clothing that's stretchy and comfortable but still looks pretty sexy on. So we're going to cut off the top, and then we are going to cut the bottom of this shirt right under where the bust would go. And I'm going to show you how we do it. So here's how I judge it. I wing it, and I want you to learn how to do this, okay? We don't need lots of patterns. We don't need lots of instructions. Here we're going to go. I'm going to go right around about here. I want you to be fearless. Do you understand me? Here we go. Oh, dearie me, this is complicated. Not at all. Here's how easy this is. Look, you fold this part over like this, right? And you're going to just cut to that approximate length. So it's going to make a long dress, a maxi dress, and I think that's going to be cool. So I'm just going to do like right here. So the skirt is cotton fabric, but I'm going to do like this, and then it's going to go like that, and like this, and like that, and like that, and like this, and this thing is going to be yummy! So for this next part, I got my pins, and I've got the skirt right here. This is the cut end. And what I've done is I've turned the top inside out. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the side seams of the skirt. And you're going to match up the side seams. See this side seam here? Look. And we're going to match them up. Match up this side seam. So remember, the top is made of a stretchy jersey t-shirty material. The skirt is made of a cotton that doesn't have a lot of stretch. I'm going to pin this like this. You do the exact same thing on the other side. You find the side seam, you go like this, you make them kiss. The seams are kissing. Look at that. It's so cute. We've got the side seams. Now we're going to find the middle here. You just sort of go like this. It's approximate. Put a pin in here. You're finding north, south, east, and west here. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now, let's do the same thing with the skirt part. Now, you're going to notice that the skirt is larger than the t-shirt, but the t-shirt's stretchy. Remember, the top is stretchy. Do you see how I'm stretching out the shirt to fit the skirt? So you're going to stretch it and sew, stretch and sew. So let's go over to the sewing machine so that I can really sort of show you what I mean. So basically what I did is I went ahead and trimmed the skirt part all the way down to the next ruffle, because there's a nice surged edge there. And notice how big the skirt is compared to the top. I am stretching the top. Stretch gently. I mean, don't break the needle. I started at the side pin. I've got the next pin. And you're going to stretch it and sew. Stretch and sew. And now we're up to the first pin, and it fits just perfectly. The next thing I want to show you is that after you've sewn the skirt and the top together, we're going to do a zigzag stitch all the way around on the inside, just to give this piece some stability when you're wearing it. So you're going to follow the stitch line here and zigzag all the way around. The final thing we're going to do is we're going to put one of my tags here over the top of the existing tag, because now we've changed it, we've made it better, but it was pretty good in the first place. We don't want to be disrespectful to the original designer, so sometimes I cut off the tag, but if it's like this, I'll just sew right on top of it. And we saved a couple of pieces from going in the landfill here. I am so thrilled with how this project turned out, and I think you'll agree that it looks really, really cute, and it's a great way to use two pieces of clothing that you might wear or you might not wear in the future. You put them together and you get that result. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, please subscribe and hit that little bell thingy so you know when I'm next making a video. And again, I'm Mandy Wildman, and thanks so much for watching the Vibrant Crafter channel.
Colors, ooh.